Hi there, this is Sarah. Today I will take you through to the customer relationship management module of Business Pointers Business Day software. So there are different types of submodules in the Business Day, in the CRM software of Business Day. So one of them is calling list. Now, what is a calling list? A calling list is a list of all the calls, basically a list of all um, records that a particular sales employee needs to follow up with. So a sales employee may import calling list into the CRM from various sources using this import utility. So the system has a import utility software wherein you should be able to import all the calling lists from through an Excel sheet and into the system. So this is how you should be able to see all your calling list records at one place. So for example, you can see the list view of a calling list of all calling list records. Next is a sales employee can also add number of activities and take follow-up. So against each calling list, you can the activities that you have performed on that particular record. For example, meeting them or calling them for a meeting. So those activities can be noted under the activities section of that particular record. And you also get to assign. So a manager can assign a calling list using this particular option to a sales group or employee. So basically, assigning of a particular list or assigning of a particular record can be done using this software from one particular sales employee to the other sales employee, and the manager is able to perform that particular action. The next is leads. Now, leads again is something wherein whenever you make a calling list. So calling list is nothing like a cold call list, wherein you are establishing a first time contact with the person. Now, once you get to establish a connection or get to establish a meeting with the particular calling list record, you that becomes your potential lead. Now, that calling list can be converted into leads. So the system gives you an option to convert that particular list to a lead. So the leads can be converted into opportunities, accounts, and contacts, basically. So depending upon um, the activities that you perform on the again in the leads, you get to perform activities and you get to record the activities on the particular lead record, same as that of the calling list. Now here you can create mailing lists to promote events and campaigns using a particular option from here, from the options button. So here you can create a mailing list out of your lead, and the different events or campaigns that you have created, you can shoot an email to all those leads into through using this particular option into the system, from the system. Okay, so next is opportunity. Now, what is the sales opportunity? Basically, sales opportunity is nothing but the system, gives you an option to record what is the particular or what is the potential amount that you are looking at from this particular sales lead. So, sales opportunity is nothing but wherein you record all the estimated closing days of that particular opportunity. What is the estimated weight? What is the amount? What is the potential amount you're looking at? What stage that potential lead has reached, if it's the final proposal or the negotiation stage. Again, you can go ahead and create activities into the system. So if you see here, once it is converted into opportunity, so when the lead is converted into opportunity, depending upon the potential stage, it can be converted into an account. So depending upon the stage, you get to convert that opportunity into a customer account. Now, various stages and activities or number of quotations sent can be tracked. So if you are sending a sales quotation to that sales opportunity, or if you are creating activities or performing activities for under that particular sales opportunity can be noted over here and can be tracked. Okay, so next we will move on to the accounts module. Now, basically, accounts is nothing but the customer accounts. Okay, so when the opportunity is converted into account, so once your sales opportunity is converted into a customer account, you can create inquiry, quotations, orders, and deliveries. So basically, for a customer account, you can create a sales order, you can create a sales inquiry or a sales quotation. Okay, and after that, um, you can create a sales order delivery. uh, so account details, so if you see here, you can see a list of all the customer account records over here. It's a list view of all the customer account records, and account details with address information like billing and shipping address. So here you should be able to see in a customer account, you can put in their billing address, the shipping address. Okay, and there are different details that you can add into the customer accounts, like the customer's credit limit. The customer account will also let you know what are the past orders, the history of orders that the customer has ordered. You can see, you should be able to see that too. So the next slide we will move on to the contacts part. So once it is so after that, you can convert your customer accounts into a contact, and you can create, like, for promotional events. So if you have any campaigns or anything you want to promote, any event or any campaign, or you want to send any newsletters, you can create a mailing list and you can send the promotional events using this mailing list. So we have an option here in the system wherein you can go ahead and create mailing lists, and again you can create a mail templates. Okay, and you can send those mail templates to different types of mailing lists that you create. So again, Outlook and Skype are linked with the application, so that on clicking email ID and phone number, it will send an email or call using Skype. So basically, we have integrated with Outlook and Skype through this application. Okay. The next is the cases. So what are cases? Basically, cases are nothing but, wherein you want to create any case. So if in case if there are any inquiries or any complaints regarding if in case if a customer is called, and has made any inquiry or has raised any complaints, you can go ahead and create cases. Now if you see here, it is actually a sequence wherein a customer calls and you can add a service request into the system. Okay, the service request is assigned to a service personnel. Service request is linked with the case management, wherein you can track the number of cases against the service request. So when you create a service request, against that service request, you can create or add cases into the system. The next is mass mailing. So mass mailing, as I informed you, that you can create different types of mailing lists depending upon your customers. So you can create different types of mailing lists depending upon the categories of the customers. So for example, you can create with basically you can create mailing lists depending upon the products that the customer is ordering. Okay, so that whenever there is a campaign for a particular product, you can send it only to that particular customer database. Now again, a pull mailing list from leads, accounts, or contacts, create mail templates or use existing templates. So basically the system already has few mail templates created, or you can add a new mail template and send it. Now, and you can send or schedule mail as per the date and time. So as per the date and time, you can send, or you can also schedule a particular mail. So at that given time, the mail will be sent to those customers. If you have any inquiries regarding the CRM software, so these are you can contact us on uh, demo@businesspointers.com. So I have informed you about a few of the features about this software. For more details, you can visit our website too, www.businesspointers.com, or else you can email us at demo@businesspointers.com. Thank you so much.